Hey guys, so I'm back and I'm ready to tackle this thing. I think my approach here was just completely wrong. Um, After a short walk to the end of my hallway, I was kind of wondering if we should maybe do this at all. Like, if we can remove the stuff, if we just don't do this image updating now, so we attach nothing to images essentially. Um, then I think we can use the original puzzle images, just upload our images as normal. Keep things as simple as possible until we need to do any randomizing. So we still need image storage paths, that's cool. At this point, we could probably just map from puzzle images and then grab the storage path using the index again. Yes, I think that'll work. Placeholder is just going to be image.word again. Basically what we did at the top, now just doing it over here. So these aren't in random order yet, but we'll get there. At this point, we just want the storage path in the original order and the image word. Awesome. So now all we need to do is just randomize this images array. So what we can do is extract that to a variable, or I can just do it here, right? I don't really like to do multiple operations in line, but I think this is just making things a bit simpler for us in this case. Randomize array creates a copy of the array, so it's not going to mutate the original one. I think this could work, guys. It was touch and go in that previous one. I was like, what am I going to do? But sometimes just some movement helps, some fresh air movement. Okay, let's test it. I'm going to go and delete all the stuff again. Clear all data, clear all puzzles, clear all storage data. Let's start from scratch. And I'm really hoping that this is going to work this time, because I'm super keen to get onto the editing. That's going to be pretty interesting too. I think we'll end up refactoring a bunch of stuff. Okay, so we got R, and R is going to move to the bottom. It's got a partial match. R, spar, with, my little R, spar, with. And I do want to pop in just a few title case words just to test that our casing's not gonna be messed up. That should be good. Good. Okay, let's create the puzzle. Oops. Okay, it's updated here. Brilliant. Let's go and reload the page here. Yes. Okay, that's updated. The order is not updated. Why? We randomized the array, right? So the solution is in order. Over here, it's not in order. Did this work? We're gonna have to give that a test. So let's go const images, just extracted like I should have at the beginning. Const randomized images, and what was I talking about? This is actually simpler. Okay, now I want to see that these are actually randomized, because I feel like they aren't being. And here we're storing R. No, they definitely randomized. Oh, it is randomized. It's just because R was first that's thrown me off. Never mind. Okay, we have R here. We got ma. We've got I again. Spar. With little. So this shouldn't. Let's test that the correct letters is working. This shouldn't work. I thought I did with. Did ma not work? with little. Did that work? Why does it keep removing the first letter of each item? So we have a bit of an issue there. Okay, let me just see what happens if I spar with my little r. Yay! Oh no, what? What's wrong with that? Okay, I've broken something. The images are randomized, and I'm happy with that. So we fixed that issue. But I feel like we may have broken something when we changed the image ID to storage path in the previous video. So I'm just going to have a look at our function quickly. Our function is now getting solution by puzzle ID. That's fine. Is our solution in order? Let's just make sure that's r spar with, oh, of course, it's our lower casing. Haha, this is great. It's our casing that's the issue. So in the previous video, I was wondering if we should lowercase all these words no matter what I enter before submitting it. But then I was thinking maybe I should just do it on the back end. And that's why our puzzle is removing the uppercase letters. Because our back end is relying on it. The solution being lowercase and the input being lowercase. So. I'm pretty sure we don't lowercase the input when we submit it. Obviously, because it failed there. Let me just confirm what happens when we submit. Letters, validate puzzle input. We're definitely not lowercasing anything. So I think on the back end we can lowercase. And we're going to find the solution image where the storage paths match. And that's the correct approach because that's its ID effectively. We are going to split the word into letters. Make sure the letter that the user inputted, solution, will be mapping input image. So we need to go do something like this. Letter dot to lowercase matches that. So make sure the solution letter, this might be faster than doing this, word index dot lowercase. No, that's a bit more straightforward. This also, yeah, let's lowercase the whole solution word. We'll lowercase each letter as we check it. Input letter as we check it is success. Just checks that. Oh, we needed yeah too. Now we're doing lots of lowercasing. Yep. That should work. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. Let's test it. To test it, we're actually going to need to get our users results, reset attempts, fetch that data, attempts left 3. Okay, let's go. I spy with little. And one of these days I might actually release this as a game, so everyone who's watched will know. You'll have a little leg up. I spy with my little R. Jokes, I won't do that. They'll ruin the fun. Okay, let's see this. Okay, first I'm going to do just some random stuff. Incorrect answer, please try again. It's still, oh shit. Okay, our functions we have to restart because the hot reloading doesn't work. It's okay with my little EEE. Okay, let's just wait for that to start up. And hopefully it works, and then our create puzzle is actually working end to end. And that'll be amazing because then I can actually launch this into the wild. Okay, let's go. Bloop. Awesome. So we got all that right, even though the casing was different. And now I'm just going to pop that in. I'm hoping I see a success dialog. Woohoo! We did it. What happens if I reload? Reload just reloads. Can I do it again? And I can refill in the puzzle. So let me make a note of that. After completing puzzle successfully, on reload, keep existing letters and don't allow user to complete puzzle again. Okay, so I'll look at that in the future, but for now I'm quite happy end-to-end create puzzles working. And yeah, so next we will take a look at actually editing a puzzle. So we'll be able to click on one of these, which will open effectively this form, and we'll load in that data into the form, and then we'll be able to delete images, change things up, and of course update the relevant documents. And we may need to, just delete a puzzle. So clicking on it should have a delete button here somewhere, or maybe on the table. And with that, I bid you adieu in Thai. Lagon.